How to permanently delete Facebook account. So if you want to delete your Facebook account permanently, then first of all you have to open up your Facebook application, and then after opening you can go to your upper right corner and tap on the three-bar icon, and then go to settings and privacy and head over to settings, and now tap on account center, and then here under account center go to personal details, and here on the last option you will have account ownership and control. Tap on that and then go to deactivation or deletion, and now you have to choose Facebook, and now tap on delete account and then continue, and here you have to choose a reason why you're deleting your account, and then tap on continue, and now you can tap on continue again, and from here you can scroll down and then you can tap on continue. And to delete your account you have to enter your password, but if you forgot your password then you can simply tap on forgot password and then you can change it, and after that you can simply go through the process again and then you can tap on continue, and that's it. That's how you delete your account, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.